How to create a new zipForm transaction using a template. All right, so we've installed the templates. We have it ready to go in zipForms. And we can see that when we click on the templates button, we'll see the templates we have installed in our account. So what we're going to do is, there's two ways to do it. One is to start a brand new transaction, or another is to apply a template to an existing transaction. So let's try the new transaction first. So once more, this is the submenu. On the submenu, under Transactions, you'll see the button New. This is where you create a new transaction in zipForms. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to do a new listing, because listings are king right now. They always are. And I'm going to give it a name here. I'm going to call it Sample 5. And then we're going to say it's residential. And then normally we just go ahead and click Save, but we have a template ready to go. So if I go ahead and click the template, you'll see here I'll have residential listing agreement package, personal. I'll select that, and you'll see under select template, residential listing package, personal. Click Save, and now sample 5 will be created. It actually opens up here. I can add some additional information. But when on the submenu, when I click Documents, you will now see all these items are ready to go. Highly recommend you always start with a cover sheet first. This is, instead of going for the forms, you can add the buyer information, seller information, and the property address as well. But what's nice is we have all this information right here ready to go for us. So that's for the new transaction. Now to apply to an existing transaction, we'll go ahead and go back to the transaction place here. In this case, sample 3, when I open that up, it will not have anything here. So when I click on Documents, you'll see it's vacant. It's empty. There's nothing, no other documents. Now I want to apply a template. So I'll go to the sub menu, and you'll see an option called Apply Template. The Apply Template, when I click it, will show the template folders of what I have here. Again, I'm going to do a residential lease listing, or actually residential listing agreement package. There we go. It's selected, and I'll click Apply, and now it will take all the forms, anything that I filled out, into this particular file. And you see under cover sheet, you can even pre-fill out. I pre-fill out my information here. You can put your name, your number, all that good stuff too. They actually had the address beforehand, but here's all the information ready to go. So that is how you add it to your existing transaction. Very simple, saves a ton of time, and you make sure you don't miss anything. So that's how you do it using templates.